Video 2. Oh, the wind has stopped a little bit. So you've got the trees on the left. Penrhys has disappeared now, so it'd be that direction. And we're sort of, everything seems to be disappearing up here. So in other words, you don't have a view of all the new housing estates. So, unusual feature at the top here, a bit of a crevice down here running all the way along. And so there's lots of crevices up here, lots of natural slips, crevices. You know, it's known for this up here. But the interesting thing is that you've got this crevice here and it comes over and it drops. So this is rather strange. This is what's been pointed out by the gang to me today. So it sort of goes along, which is really interesting. And so you can sort of crevice or ditch and bank, and you've got something here. So really unusual feature. And then we've got the wind farms. So again, rather interesting up here because it's almost as if the houses in the forefront just disappear. It's a wonderful sort of platform area, and it feels a bit sheltered actually out of the wind, which is really strange. Anyway, this is video 2, karl-james Langford Archaeology Company, up in Penrhys.